parents. This is going to be your guide for our math lesson today. Now, make sure you have your Chapter 3 Go Math Worksheet book, Chapter 3, and you're going to open it to page 101. It's really about the 10th or the 12th page in the booklet, and it looks like this. Now, this is kind of an easy lesson, so it's a quick video. Your kiddo is going to be practicing writing and counting to the number 7. Make sure they put their name at the top of the page. And right here, they're going to touch and count each cube. Then they're going to practice writing the number 7. They're going to touch and count each of these sombreros. Now, here's the trick I like to teach kiddos so that they're not double counting, skipping any. Have them cross out each sombrero as they count. Then they're going to practice writing the word 7 in Spanish, siete. And that's it for that page. Right here, we see a nice little carnival scene. Your kiddo is going to practice looking for groups of 7. Now, there's 3 different groups of 7. There's a couple tricky ones too, but that's going to be your kiddo's job is to investigate this picture and circle the groups of 7. Once your kiddo has found all 3 groups of 7, they're ready for the next page. They're going to practice writing their name again. It's a big skill in kinder. And then they're going to write the number 7 and count these groups of objects and write the number. They're not all 7. Once they've practiced counting and writing all these numbers, make sure you're checking to see if they've marked each object. The last page is the mid-chapter review test. Not a real test, but it's a good check-in to see how your kiddo's progressing along. For their first question, your kiddo's going to need their tokens or fichas. If you don't have tokens or fichas, using a red crayon and a yellow crayon is perfectly fine. They're going to make the number 7 using this 5 frame. Now, obviously, 7 is bigger than 5, so they're going to have to draw a couple on the bottom. Then they're going to write the number 7. Count these groups, write the number, and then down here, their job is to circle the groups of whistles that have 7 in them. Don't worry, there's a couple, and that's okay, because the main lesson for this question is that 7 can look differently in different ways. That's it for Chapter 3.4. For Chapter 3, Lesson 3.4. At the end, have your kiddo snap a picture of this on Seesaw and send it over to me. See you soon.